Hello students, today we are going to start with the NCERT book Back to the Sun. This is the cover page of the book and this is the first chapter. The name is A Tale of Two Birds. So here I start. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a shady, tall tree, and there the mother bird lived and took care of her young ones day and night. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the bird lived also came down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately, for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. So this story is about a bird who had two babies and the two babies got separated. One landed near the robber's cave and the other landed near the rishi's ashram. Days passed and the baby bird became big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out, "Quickly! Hurry up! There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he'll slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw, but there was no one. He quickly got off the horse and rode away as fast as he could. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was the rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The rishi will be back soon. There's some water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king was very amazed to hear the voice. "You are right, sir," answered the bird. "He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore." Just then the rishi entered the ashram. Next is, "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food." The king told the rishi the story of the two birds and how each have behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. "The forest is full of surprise," he said. The holy man smiled and said, "After all, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitated them and talked about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I'll tell you more about this place and these birds." Now the first bird behaved in the same way as the robbers used to, and the second imitated the same way as the rishi used to imitate. Now here I am sharing a summary which will make you understand the meaning of the chapter. This is about the story of two birds. One landed in the robber's cave and the other in the rishi's ashram, and they both imitated the same way as they used to hear. Now here I am sharing few questions. The answers of these questions you can search within the chapter. You will get the answers within the chapter, and tomorrow we shall discuss the answers. I will give you the answers tomorrow. I am also sharing few word meanings which I want you all to look up in the dictionary, and then you can get the answers of these words. If you have made a fresh copy, kindly write the answers plus the word meanings in that copy. But if you are not having, you can use any rough copy. Till we meet tomorrow, thank you and have a nice day.